Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for spouse sponsorship Canada where your spouse is outside Canada using permanent residence portal. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. Another thing I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am government body. So the purpose of this video is just to navigate through the service. There is no legal advice given in this video, and if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have opened permanent residence portal. Here we need to sign in, so I'm gonna sign in. Once you log in, this is what you see, and at the bottom you have this application for permanent residence. So I'm gonna click start new application. So let's proceed. So you get a page like this, permanent residence application. Here you need to select. So I select family, category spouse. So for this purpose, family class outside Canada, and I'm gonna put a name, and I'm gonna click on continue. Now you got your application was successfully started. I can close it. Now it is initiated. So you can see how you're gonna do it. Application forms, and they have also given the criteria, eligibility criteria, application guide, document checklist. So this is very easy now to follow, and then even additional documents that you're gonna upload, declaration. So we are gonna see what are the things we are gonna do. Okay, and one more thing, like you don't need to have to do all the forms. Okay, so you can see what are the forms they have also defined, and you can also go through the guidelines to find out which are the forms you need to fill up. Some forms can be filled online, you click start. Some you need to fill and upload. So this is a good thing about it. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna open checklist, and eligibility criteria I hope you have already done, but you can do go again. Checklist and both guide, both you can open and see what are the, okay, this is something else that I'll okay, and then you can fill, upload, then proof of payment, and then other documents. Now when it comes to filling up this spouse sponsorship forms, what are the forms you need to fill up? I have already uploaded a detailed paper based application where I have shown you each and every form how to fill up. So I'm not gonna show everything once more, but if you like to see that, you can write in comments, and in future if I want to, I'll go for it. As of now, I'm going to include the link in the description where I have like shown you how to fill up each and every form. You're gonna go ahead with that, and or else, you know what I'm gonna do, no, I don't want to link both the videos. Instead I will include that as a link. So